Today is Wednesday, January 6th, 2021. When we write the date, we're going to put a 1 for the first month, 6-21. Elijah, if today is Wednesday, that means yesterday was? Tuesday. Nice job. Elijah, you're going to help me again. If today is Wednesday, tomorrow will be? Thursday. Nice job. So let's check our pattern again. We had penguin, 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 glove, glove, hot cocoa. We noticed that we had 3 things that were the same, and then 2 things the same, and then 1 all by itself. So tomorrow we should have a penguin, and our pattern should start all over again. And if we look over here, we can see it is going to be a penguin. Days of the week. So I'm going to be calling on friends to tell me which days of the week there are. I would like for everyone to unmute and sing this through with me, okay? So go ahead and unmute, and we'll get started. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Good job. Paige, can you tell me this day? Go ahead, Paige. Friday. Was that you, Paige? Mason, can you tell me this one? Sunday. Nice job. Nicholas, can you tell me this one? They both start with S. Saturday. Nice job. All right, go ahead and stand up. We have months of the year. We have 12 of them. January is the first month, and that is why we write a 1 at the beginning for our date. January. Ooh, I fast forwarded it. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. The 11 months of the year. And we all been around. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. And we all sit down. You guys are awesome at that. Okay, I'm going to be calling on some helpers. So check your microphone, make sure it's muted, and get ready to use the raise hand button. Okay. My first helper is Paulina. Paulina, what is today's weather? When you answer, I would like you to say, today's weather is, and then we're going to choose sunny, cloudy, partly cloudy, rainy, or snowy. So whenever you're ready, Paulina, you can say your answer.
Today's weather is
Cloudy.
cloudy.
I agree. Cloudy. Paulina, how many days? Let me pull the cloud over. So what we can do is just draw a spot here to show that that's another cloudy day. So Paulina, how many days now are cloudy?
2.
2 days. How about snowy?
4.
4. And then last question, which one has more, sunny or snowy?
Snowy.
Snowy. Nice job, Paulina. Okay. So yesterday we had 76 days in school. If I add one more, oh, it's not going to let me do it again. If I add one more, how many days have we been in school? I'm going to look for somebody raising their hand to help me out. Yesterday was 76, and then I just added one more. Cadence, how many days have we been in school now? 77. Okay, so here's my tens place, and here's my ones. Cadence, which number do I need to change so it says 77?
Erase the 6 and then put another 7.
Awesome. So I'm going to change the ones place and make it 77. 7 groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 little ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Awesome job, Cadence. We have Math Mountain today, so I'm going to put all hands back down, and then I'm going to call on a couple of students to help me solve this. Okay, so our problem today says the math monsters are going on a hike. 4 monsters wear red hiking boots. 3 monsters wear purple hiking boots. How many monsters are going hiking? So whenever I see a story problem, I like to circle the stuff that I need to remember. So the important information is 4 monsters and 3 monsters. 4 and 3. So what I remember from our new Go Math book is if we see an and, if we see the word and, we know that's a plus. So how many counters do I need to draw first, Elijah?
4.
4 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then what's that symbol, Nicholas, that I have to put in the middle?
Equal sign.
The one that goes in the middle to help me put something together. Looks like this.
Plus.
Plus. Okay, Paige, what am I adding to the 4? Uh-oh, Paige, I don't think your microphone's turned on. There we go.
How about 3?
3 more. Paige, do you know how many are all together? If we add all of these together? Go ahead and unmute, Paige, after you count these.
5.
4 plus 3 more. I want you to count all of these.
7.
7. Nice job. So we have 4 plus 3 equals 7. So when we start using our Math Mountain a little more, this is how we're going to use it. We would say 4 monsters over here that are wearing the red hiking boots and 3 over here wearing the purple ones. We would put our 4 counters down here and 3 over here. And then at the top is where we put our total all together. So that is where we would put the number 7. So these three numbers together, they work as a team, and we're going to be finding out later in the school year that they work together as a math fact. So they can help each other add and subtract. But for right now, we're just going to be working on addition. All right. We are all done with calendar, so your next step is to get out your word study book, scissors, and glue. I'll give you 1 minute to make sure you have everything ready. So, for this book, we're going to draw that middle line again, but Miss Prince is going to do a better job today of making sure everything fits. We have 2 word families again today. Let's start by putting the date, 1-6-21. Awesome, I have Cadence ready now. And before we get started, we need to see what our word families are. We have app, so I want you to put on the left side, app, with a line in the front. That just means there's going to be a letter that we put here, but we can change it out, and it's always going to rhyme with app. On this side, we have the word family ag. Ag. And we're going to put a line in the front because we can change out the letter. And they're all going to rhyme with ag. Who can tell me a word that ends with ag? Nicholas, can you tell me any word you can think of that has the sound ag at the end? Wag. Nice job. Wag. I think that might be one of our words because I see this dog tail right here. Good job. All right, we're going to go through all of our words, and I want you to take your pencil, and we're going to underline the word families only, so only the ending part. Okay? So we have app, nap. Wag, wag. Cap, cap. Rag, rag. Map, map. Bag, bag. Tag, tag. Oh, we have a blend here, so we need to put the F and the L together. Flag, flag, but we're only underlining the ag part. Lap, lap, only underlining the app. Okay. So what we're going to do is go through each of these words, and I'm going to call on a student to tell me what the word is, and then we'll find the picture that matches. Then we will cut everything out, organize them, and then start moving them over. Okay? Paulina, your word is this word here. Good job. Nap. Do you see a picture of somebody taking a nap? Yeah. Nap. Mason, this is your word. Wag. Oh, that was the word that Nicholas told us. Do you see a dog's tail wagging? Wag. All right. Elijah. Thank you, Mason. Here's your word, Elijah. Elijah, I want you to say this word with me. Are you ready? Cap. 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 First graders, a cap is another word for a hat. So some people will say that this is a ball cap. So when we're talking about cap, we're talking about this hat right here. Nicholas, here's your word. First graders, I want you to make sure you're doing these with me and we're not cutting anything out yet. So I'm going to point to the word and I would like you to help me say it. Can you hear me, Nicholas? Okay. Go ahead and tell me the word. Rag. Rag. And that's what we would call this down here. Landon, here's your word. Map. Good job. Map. Map. So we have a map right here of the United States. Good job, Landon. All right. Paige, here's your word. Go ahead and check your microphone. First sound. T. Yep. T. Ag. Tag.
Rag.
We have a T. Tag.
Tag.
Tag. Nice job. We have a price tag right here. Okay, cadence. We have a blend. Fl. G, 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 G. Flag. Flag. Nice job. We have a flag right here. Great job, Cadence. Cruz. Hi, Cruz. Here's your word. Lap. Lap. Check the last sound. Lap. 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 Good job. Good job, Cruz. All right, friends, we're ready to cut it out. So go ahead and cut all the way around and then make a pile of words and a pile of pictures. Okay, you guys are still cutting yours out, so keep working hard. I'm going to start making my piles. And then when you are ready, make sure you put that raise hand button up. So if your hand is raised right now and you're not done, go ahead and put it down until you are all ready. Great job. So Landon's ready. His hand is raised. Landon, you got done before me. And Mason's ready. Nice job. Order on my screen, but I'll make sure to start with somebody that's raising their hand so that if you're not quite ready, you can glue them as we go. Mason, this is your word. I want you to say the word and then tell me if it goes in app or ag. Bag. App or ag? Ag, nice job, because we have ag at the end. So when I'm gluing today, I'm going to make sure that I have enough room if I need to do 2 different rows. So I'm going to go all the way up next to this line.
Can I do it later?
I would love if we could do it together right now, Mason.
Okay.
Thank you. And then I want to find my picture of a bag. Remember, we put our pictures and our words together. There we go. It's like the bag that you guys get your lunches in. And I'll put it right underneath it. Actually, yeah, let's stick with that. Let's stick with putting it right underneath it. And then if I need to do more over here, we have room. So the reason I like that if you guys can do these with me is that we're practicing these words and we're recognizing that these ones are going to rhyme with each other and these ones are going to rhyme with each other. And it's always good to practice our reading. Even if it's not reading class, we're still practicing our reading. Landon, you are next.
Map.
Map. Nice job. App or ag?
Ag.
Let's say the word again. Map. Map. Does it sound like app or ag? Map.
Up.
App. And I'm going to put it right here next to this line so that I have room if I need to do more over here. And then let's find that picture of the United States map. Oh, and I have another hand raised so I can call in another student. So if you would like to help, make sure you raise your hand. Okay, Cadence is ready. First, good job. Good job. Rag. Rag. Nice job. App or ag? Check the ending. See which one it matches with. App or ag? Ag. Nice job. So that means that bag and rag rhyme. And then the rag is another name for this ripped up towel. Right here. Cruz, you're my next helper.
Miss Prince,
Yes.
you want to see my blue I have? It's
How
brand
about
new.
you show me when you come to the classroom today, okay?
Okay.
That would be perfect. Cruz, this is your word.
Cat.
Good job. Cap. Does that sound like app or ag?
Ag.
Cap.
What did you say called the second one?
Cap.
Cat.
Cap. Cap is
Cap.
another word for a hat. So cap sounds like app. They have the same ending. So we're going to put it under the map because map and cap rhyme. So now we look for the hat because this is another word for cap. And then we're going to put the cap right here. Okay, I'm going to go through and call on some students that don't have their hand raised so that they can help me out now. Paulina, here's your card. Wag. Nice job, Paulina. App or ag? Ag. Great job. And then we're going to look for the picture of the dog that's wagging its tail. Right here. Wag. All right, Elijah. Elijah, you're next. Okay, Elijah, I'm going to come back to you. Nicholas. Nicholas, I'm going to come back to you. Landon?
Nap.
Good job. Nap. App. Is this app or ag?
Nap.
Oh, thank you, Elijah. Elijah, does this go under app or ag? App. Good job. So right underneath the cap. Okay, Nicholas, can you hear me? Here's my picture of the kid napping. He's taking a little nap on the couch. Nicholas, can you hear me? Okay, Paige. Paige, here's your card. When you unmute, make sure your microphone's turned on. Tag. That was so quick. Nice job. Is this app or ag? If I cover up the first letter, does it say app or ag? Does it say app or ag? I think your microphone's off again. Paige, we can't hear you. All right, that's okay, Paige. We're going to put this under ag, because if I cover the T, it says ag. And I'm going to put it right here so that I can glue tag right underneath it, right here. Tag.
This Prince?
Yes.
Like the one like you did? I put like the second animal with the arms. Yeah, so I didn't have space because I didn't know which one was it, so I found the white Pichu and then I put it next to it, then next to the middle.
Oh, good idea. As long as they're next to each other and we know that they have a match, then that's okay. You can do them like that, Cruz. All right, Cadence. I gave you this one last time, so I'm going to give you this one. Nice job, Cadence. Lap. Is it app or ag? Is it on the app side or the ag side? App. Nice job. And I'm going to put it right here because I have room. And then there's a picture, and the arrow's pointing to her lap. Lap. Okay, Nicholas, I would like to hear from you. Nicholas, can you hear me? Okay, this one can be up for anyone who wants to unmute and tell me what this word says. Anyone can unmute. Flag. I heard flag. Nice job. Anyone can unmute. Is it app or ag?
Ag.
Nice job. I heard Landon and Cadence. Ag. Great participation. That makes me so happy. And then we have our flag that goes underneath it. So before we go, check your book. If you need to go back and watch this video, that's okay.